Hi viewers, you can always reach us at tamilstocktips@gmail.com or you can ping us in Google Hangouts. In today's session, we'll see how to write XPath in Chrome browser. So I have taken the previous example of yahoo.com. Okay, so let me launch the developer tool. Okay, previously you identified this text box and search button using ID property. Now let's work on the other links. Okay, link will always have a tag, the tag with name A. Okay, now just click on Ctrl F. So this is a place where you can write your XPath and also you can find like the number of occurrence of the string. Okay, let's expand this link tag. Here I can see finance. Let me copy this text and paste it. So there are 13 finance in this entire page. So this 2/ is nothing but a relative path. Once you put this relative path, you need to enter the tag name is A. Here I am going to search for the text equal to, so the number of occurrence reduced from 13 to 12. So if you want to find out like which one is one and which is the second, now when you put 1 within square bracket, you can see like the finance is getting highlighted. This is nothing but on the top below the search bar you can see the finance. That's the one which is highlighting now. Okay, then click on the next. You can see the next finance which is getting highlighted below the search bar. Okay, because like now we are having more two occurrence. If you based on the index position, you can specify like which finance you want to click. Not only using text, you can write the same XPath in a different way also. Let me use the tag href, copy entire thing and replace this text equal to finance, delete and paste it, remove this index. See, now it is showing 0 occurrence. After a tag, for the attribute we need to specify @ except for the text you need to specify @. Now we can see again it is identifying 2. So specify the index 1 and 2. So using the same code, I'll make a note of it so that we can modify the existing code to click this. Here you can see it is throwing error. Here you can see it is not throwing any error because in Eclipse part1 the slash is inserted automatically. Otherwise what you have to do is you have to replace this double quotes with single quotes. This we have to do it in Eclipse earlier version. So this is a thing which they have taken care in the Eclipse part1 version, which is a good one. Okay, now if you execute this, it will click on the finance link. Before exiting this, we'll see some other XPath. Okay, so now if you want to click on this Kerala Rains, Kerala Rain is coming under span tag. Okay, so let me write XPath for that. Relative path and then type the tag name and then attribute. Here we can use the class name too. Okay, I have clicked the link, that's the reason it has navigated to that page. Sorry if I was too fast. Let me do slowly this time. Here you can use the class name. Okay, copy this. Inside the span, you can put @ type class. In single quote, put the class name. So now there are 10 occurrences for this class name, which means you need to go with index. So the first occurrence is the one which is getting highlighted now. In the same way, there are some more than one occurrences available. Instead of writing in this way, what we can do is copy the text. Instead of class, put a text of equal to. So now we are getting only one occurrences, which means if we can use this code to click the Kerala range link. Even though both are links, these are two different tags because this is under tag A and this is under tag span. Let's look at for a different one so that okay, let's try for the mail. Let me check how many objects having the same class. Even though we have already seen the tag of span, see, for this class we are having only one occurrence, which means using this xpath we'll be able to click this mail. Let me capture all those things. This is for mail icon, this is for link, and then what else we can look for? Okay, let's try to click this more link. This one as href, and also let's expand this. Here we are having more. Let's try to search for more text. So this is a tag name. I'm gonna use text of. So this will work because we are having only one occurrence in the link tag. This comes under menu. Let's see whether we can write any other different way for this menu. Let's use the href tag name. For attribute we need to use href @ I will directly click on the link. Okay, now it is showing two occurrence. Let's see what is the second one. So you can see there is one more here, and this is the first one. So if we are using this href, then it will show you two more. And let's look at any other objects. We have already seen button class. Okay, let's do one more thing. Here the size of the class name length is very bigger, and this comes under button. Sorry. See, now it is showing only one object and the size is very big. Let's see whether how we can change this to a simpler one. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the contains method. It takes two parameter. Okay, text of, instead of giving the full, what I'm gonna do is you have to close the bracket. And we have to remove the single quote. Okay, this is not working. Let me see what's wrong here. Okay, the thing is I didn't remove the class. Okay, I don't think this is working. Okay, we will cover this in the upcoming sessions. And I'm not sure like this is supposed to work and it's not working. I'm just looking for any other complex object so that that may help us in writing XPath. So for all these objects you are having class or ID. Maybe like in our upcoming sessions, like we'll try to see the other complex XPath and different combinations of XPath. Okay, for the session I'm done with the XPath. In upcoming sessions we'll cover more on the XPath with uncondition or condition and other different things. Thanks for watching.